Ever since we first opened our doors, our mission at Tait Sales has been simple: to find the best solutions for our customers. We don't just sell tools, we build partnerships. That's why we only represent brands we trust, brands that stand for quality, innovation, and will be there for you long after the sale. Hi, I'm Julie Tait, and we're here at Aardwolf America headquarters to show you exactly why they're the gold standard in material handling. Let's go take a look. Come on in. The Aardwolf story begins with a revolutionary idea. In 1995, James Corbett patented the Aardwolf Lifter, a compact, powerful clamp with rubber-lined jaws that changed the game for stone handling. It was safer and more efficient than anything else on the market. That spirit of innovation built a global reputation for reliability. But a global brand is only as strong as its local team. Having the right tools is only half the battle. You need people on the ground who understand the unique challenges of the American fabricator. Here in the U.S., that team is spearheaded by the people who live and breathe this industry.
Hi, my name is Javier. I do sales here at Aardwolf America, LLC.
I'm Leonardo Loeza. I'm operations here at Aardwolf America. I've been here since 2019, since the beginning.
Years of hands-on experience from Javier, Leo, and their entire team is what makes the difference. They're problem solvers who understand the daily pressures of a fabrication shop. That deep industry knowledge is what drives the innovation and reliability built into every piece of Aardwolf equipment. So now let's see that engineering in action. I'm here with Leo from Aardwolf, and we're going to talk a little bit about one of the most common tools in a fabrication shop, the slab lifter. And the details are what set things apart. So can you tell us a little bit about why Aardwolf's lifters are set apart from others?
Sure thing. So with our clamps, we've been around for ages. We are the inventors of this clamp. So this is the original clamp here. This comes in manual, and this one's great for rough terrain. But then we recently introduced, it's been about 5 years in, with the new Autolock version. So benefits of this is you eliminate one user having to go in between the slabs into the danger zone to pull this little latch right here. So with the Autolock, you eliminate that process and that danger for the company as a liability and safety for employees and all. This one has rollers incorporated as well with them. Benefits of this is if you were to go down the slab to center it, you just slide it right over to the right center of the slab. You would go ahead and lift with the Autolock, and once you set it down, it'll automatically release as well, and then you just pull it away.
So can you tell me a couple of the most important safety and benefit features of your lifter that set it apart from other brands?
I'm glad you asked that. You know, I do sales rides every week across the nation. A lot of the sales guys that sell Aardwolf don't know. They think it's the same lifter. No, it's not. One of the differences is the safety factor. Our safety factor is 2.5 to 1 safety ratio, meaning it can lift 2.5 more than what it says on the plate.
So it's rated for 2.5 more than actually what the plate says?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, I know there's two camps. One camp says you can only lift one at a time. You should only lift one at a time. Other guys, one slab at a time. Yep. And other guys say, no, I lift 2 slabs at a time. If you're going to lift 2 slabs at a time, you need to be using my lifter. So another difference is how it lifts the material. It lifts. This is the only lifter in the market that lifts evenly from top to bottom.
Okay.
So the wear is going to be the same. Here in a year and 2 years, it's always going to be the same. If your lifter is more worn in the top than the bottom and the bottom's clean, it's not our lifter.
So if it wears uneven, it's a guarantee it's not an Aardwolf brand.
Nope.
Well, there you go. So I have Vincent here with Aardwolf, who's going to walk me through how to change the auto lock mechanism on this auto lifter. Each time you purchase one, it comes with an extra one already included in the kit. You can also purchase an entire maintenance kit separate from that. That includes the rubber stops and the springs and everything, but we're just going to walk through this today. So what do we need first before we even start?
So to replace the Autolock, you would need 4mm hex key, a pair of pliers, a block of wood, this thin,
Something to wedge in it.
something to wedge in it,
Yeah.
you will see, and dry silicone for the new Autolocks. So
step one is, what do we do first?
So step one is to have the lifter in a locking position. So you need to check if it's locking position. This is unlocked. This is locked. Step two, with the 4mm hex key, go ahead and unscrew. There's 2 hex screw on each side. Step three is to detach the locking pin. So go ahead and do this. So step 4, with this new locking pin, go ahead and use dry silicone and apply a small amount to these
The grooves right there?
The grooves, yes.
Okay.
So just go ahead and do that.
Is it? Oh, yeah, it
That's
comes
not
out.
small. When it's lubricated, go ahead and proceed to step 5, install the new spring.
So that's where you need that.
So for this step, you're going to use something like a thin, small wooden piece.
You have to do it by yourself. You gotta do it single-handedly. So you go like this and lift it all the way. And there we go, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's perfect. This is now it's in this position. So go ahead and put this new locking pin in. Step 6 is secure it with the hex screw. So for here, you have to take a look inside the screw hole. And as you can see, when you turn this pin, it will align with the groove. So that's when you would put this new screw into the screw hole so that it will secure the groove of the locking pin. Step 7, the final step, is to use the plier. And as you can see, there's the white plastic cap. So all you have to do is use this plier, then just push it in. But there's also an easier way to do this. That is to have the locking pin aligned with this housing hole right here. Then go ahead, drop it.
So now that Vincent has taught me how to do this, I'm gonna try to do it myself and we'll see how long it takes me. Ready? Go. Ta-da! I did it. All right. A great tool is only useful if you can get it when you need it. One of the biggest reasons we partner with Aardwolf is their commitment to keeping deep stock right here in the U.S.
Let me give you a tour of the place. This is our warehouse. This is where we stock our fast-moving products. This is all our forklift booms, our slab racks. It's Leo, Bastian. Keep all our scissor clamps and some of the block vacuum lifters here. And then moving here, we got transport carts. All our vacuum systems are all over here. Horizontal lifters are stocked over here. Barrier lifters, our fabrication tables. And here's our A-frames, folding A-frames actually. We keep all our slab rack, bundle rack poles on this side. And this is like our mini R&D station. Well, this is a new product that's going to be used in the warehousing division. So this is going to help folks move heavy boxes from one pallet to the other when they're fulfilling orders. So this is one of the products we're bringing and we're testing so we can start producing them and bringing them over soon. And this is another product we're testing. This is like a bundle transport cart. Could carry bundles from the slab yard to the fabrication, the fabricator shop.
And it's about more than just lifters. It's a complete ecosystem, from storage racks in the yard to transport frames on the truck. Having an integrated system designed to work together makes every part of the process safer and more efficient. We sat down with Javier to get his perspective on the challenges fabricators face today and how Aardwolf is engineering the solutions for tomorrow.
At Aardwolf, the sale is only the beginning for us. We want to ensure that the customer feels supported with their products, and we want them to feel confident that we're going to be here to do that. Our company's been here in business 25 years. We sell all around the world, and we'll probably be here another 25 years. Integrity isn't something that we don't take lightly. We understand that the tools that you use help your business function. So whether it's if your vacuum system goes down and our tech teams on FaceTiming you, that's what we're going to do, and that's what we do. If we don't have a part, we're going to airship it in, and that's the kind of things we do here. That's what I know stands out from every competitor that we have.
Looking forward, what's the biggest trend in material?
Right now, what we're seeing, based on our R&D team, it looks like we're really investing heavily in vacuum systems. Not only vacuum systems, battery-powered vacuum systems. Now that lithium has become more advanced, gives you more cycles, we are looking into vacuum systems and just products where you no longer need to plug it in pneumatically. It'll be all battery-powered. So we are excited about that. Though that should be coming in soon, maybe late fourth quarter, first quarter of 2026. So look out for that. So at Aardwolf, we're really particular on who we work with. The way we see our distributors is it's a partnership. It's not a one-year relationship. This is a 10, 15-year relationship. So we're really picky in particular on who we want to work with and who we want to partner up with. When Tait Sales actually approached us initially, we said no. Not no, but we said not yet. We didn't know who they were. I met Rob and Julie, seemed like nice people. But after a couple months, we were hearing a lot about them. Customers were talking about them. And we just really heard good things. Integrity, customer service. They were just spot on with their customers. Their customers, they would call us and just talk about them. So that sparked our interest to partner up with them. So we spoke, and we gave them a shot. Say, hey, let's see what happens. And if it works out, it works out. And the partnership's been great. They really take care of our customers. An example of that is most companies don't like dealing with parts, but they're the part expert. I think they know our parts better than we do at this point. But they're very detailed. We like that, and their values really align with ours. So we're really proud to have them as a partner, honestly. And most of all, our end user customers love them. They're very attentive. They respond quickly, and they just give that one-on-one service. And and for us, that means a lot to us.
So as you can see, the commitment to innovation, safety, and quality is in every piece of equipment that Aardwolf sells. We've seen the engineering, we've tested the products, and we've met the team. We don't just sell products, we offer solutions that we believe in. For more information on Aardwolf and thousands of other products, visit us at taitsales.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.